Is FlexPaste a scam? I'll explain in 60 seconds. FlexPaste is an as seen on TV putty sealant that makes outrageous claims, such as being able to build a boat using chicken wire and FlexPaste. It's no wonder why people think that FlexPaste is a scam, but on the contrary, their commercials are so darn entertaining, they make you want to buy the product even if you have no use for it. FlexSealProducts.com was registered on December 14, 2014, but at that time they only sold spray sealant called FlexSeal. The company has a variety of products, including FlexSeal and FlexTape, which can be found at popular retail stores. However, currently, FlexPaste is only available from Lowe's or direct from FlexSeal. This will likely change very soon. So, is FlexPaste a scam? No, it's not a scam. It looks too good to be true because they don't show you the days it took to build the perfect FlexPaste boat or how many times that FlexPaste failed on the tasks they performed before they achieved the perfect lip to include in their commercial. FlexPaste will work and is impressive. Just don't expect it to work as good as on TV. TVStuffReviews.com has an extensive report on FlexPaste, as well as 5,000 other as seen on TV items. If this video helped you at all, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. So, do you think FlexPaste is a scam?